fertilize my garden with me. This right here is some rabbit manure that I'm going to use to feed my plants. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Whether you use rabbit manure or any other manure, your plants will explode with growth. Some of this is cured, as in well dried, and some of it is not cured. And that's the beauty about rabbit manure. You can use it hot off the press, straight from the buttocks. You can use it whether it is cured or wet, because it is a cold manure. However, for the other manures that are hot manure, you will need to cure them properly. They will need to dry properly before you use them in your garden to prevent your plants from burning up. All right, so I am going to put this rabbit manure in my containers, and this will act as a slow release fertilizer each time I water my plants. You want to ensure that your soil is moist before adding your manure, and then after I'm done adding my manure, I'll then water again later to ensure that when I water later, the manure will dissolve and spread more evenly through the soil, ensuring that the nutrients are available to the entire root system and my soil. Oh, I feel like wetting you up. Just playing with you. I love you all. Manures are rich in nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. It has some more secondary nutrients as well that your plants need. But the fact that they provide your plants those primary nutrients that they need is a win-win. Adding the manure as a top dressing in your containers or your raised beds and acting as a slow release fertilizer means that your soil and your plants, by extension, will get a consistent amount of nutrients throughout its growing season as well. And guess what? This manure right now that I'm adding is like a 3-in-1. It not just provides my soil nutrients, but it also helps to retain moisture in the soil. So it's acting as mulch right now, and it also improves the soil structure in terms of aeration. And not only that, this baby right here will encourage beneficial microorganisms that are beneficial to the plants, to the soil, to the garden. So many reasons to use manures in your garden. Quite beneficial. And let me tell you something, a happy soil makes happy plants, and happy plants makes us happy gardeners, right? I don't always have rabbit manure. Sometimes I use horse manure, sometimes I use chicken manure as well. I've never used the cow manure before. I know persons who use it. But you can do some research and see how that works for you. So for my heavy feeders, like my cabbages, they're not looking so brilliant, as I can see that the pests, dealing with them. But I am putting up a fight and I'm going to win. I don't plan to lose. Alright, so yes, as I was saying, for my heavy feeders, I add the manure a little compact, right? And for my not so heavy feeders, like my guys, I have to laugh based on how they're looking right now. But anyways, my pak choice right here, I kind of had it sparingly, right? Alright, so seeing that I've watered the soil before, I'm just going to water the manure so that it can start to release nutrients in my soil. I'm not going to have you drawn out, alright? I am going to take the time out now to just finish up my garden. It's going to take some time. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.